Hi everyone, look what I got you today. Something unique, something different. It's a grounding sheet. It's a fitted sheet made of cotton and silver fiber. It also comes with two pillow cases. All right, this is the queen size and it provides grounding, which means that it will help taking out all the negative energy out and sending it to the ground. Okay, and I know this sounds very strange, so let's explore how this works. This is a normal sheet, but it's not just a normal sheet. It can be connected through these wires, okay, to ground the energy out. It's a 14-inch pocket sheet and the material is amazing. Okay, it's really nice and cool. Make sure you wash it though before you use it. This is how it looks like. Look at it, it's gorgeous. Okay, and then I believe from here, this is where you are going to connect the grounding. Okay, this is the grounding device. We are going to just grab it and we're gonna connect it from here like that, and we're gonna put this end here onto the ground, so it will take out all the energy while you are sleeping and will help like feel fresher, better in the morning. I have been using like other different grounding, like grounding mat, grounding devices, like to help me feel better. It's really good and it helps provide more positive energy. You know, if you like the nature, if you like natural organic stuff, this is probably something you want to try and see how you feel after a few days from using it. It's really cool. It comes with a tester kit, so you need to throw the other end to the ground like this and then put A or AAA batteries in it, and then you put it on and then you connect it. If it gives green light here, means that the earthing is good, the grounding is good. Did it give it? Let me see. I'm gonna connect it and switch on. Okay, this means that grounding is good. All right, and now how we are going to ground it, because it comes also like grounding for the pillows, and the grounding comes also for the bed sheet from here, from this side. Okay, so what we do is we basically just connect it here and we let this other end, let me see which end, yeah, it's long, so we let this other end just on the ground, just basically like that. And we have another one for the pillows and we connect it here and we let go of the other end to the ground, and we have a really good night's sleep. This grounding mat, this grounding bed sheet, fitted bed sheet with two pillowcases is really nice. And if you sleep throughout the night and use it every day, it's really wonderful. It will give you a really nice experience, better night sleeps and fresher mornings next day. I hope you like it and I hope you find it as useful as I do. Thank you for watching.